we're back to the video, and I just wanted to say we're done mixing the glue and the shaving cream together, and when you'll know when to put the food dye in, because you only put the food dye in when the glue and shaving cream is like a marshmallowy consistency. That the marshmallows are like all
melted. Yeah. All right. So now we've got our mixture of borax.
Oh yeah.
I can have a new one.
Yep. Why do you want a new one? Hold this one.
Yes. Okay. So while we're waiting, I'll show you the colors of all of our stuff.
There you go.
Our stuff. So here's Lexi's. It's like a bluish one. Here's mine if you haven't already seen it. And here is Myra's.
Okay.
So now we're ready to start. So now we got the
Sorry, Mike.
borax
All right. So we're going to add
Solution?
a little bit of borax
at a
mixture.
time.
And what I do is I actually boil water, and that's what I use to mix the borax. You ready, Mike?
Yeah.
All right. Start mixing.
And remember, you can always add more borax.
Absolutely.
Because sometimes it's
All
not
right,
the
you
right
can see from
consistency.
Lexi's over there that it's starting to gel together.
What about mine?
Oh yeah, all right. Now, the one ingredient that is very important for fluffy slime besides the shaving cream.
Because sometimes if it's like a little too sticky sometimes, you can, and not like stretchy enough, you can always put some lotion in it.
Yes.
Mom, wait, hot water.
The hot water?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Water.
and
I thought she
also,
said hot lava.
I did too. We're gonna put in a little water. All right, it's just regular, plain old
That's just
tap water.
Yeah, regular old plain water.
A little tap water there.
And can't the water that you pour in be hot or cold?
It's better if it's hot.
It's better if it's hot, but it can be hot or cold. Just, we're saying, probably do it with hot.
All right, so we're gonna cut off here so the videos
And
aren't
we'll
too
come
long.
back and show you how our slimes are. It's in your
Oh
hair.
wow, yeah.